Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to LENOVO Tab E10. Begin by going into Play Store on both devices and installing free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then to set it up, click on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm. Continue. And allow. In this window about new updates, you can select Not Now if you want to. Then to close it, hit OK. Now tap on Close in white pop-up at the top. And finally select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Lenovo. Also on an Android, thanks to all of those categories available at the top, you can select all of your files that you wish to send. When you're ready, choose Send next to Selected at the bottom and confirm your choice by clicking on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up. After that, you can finally use one of those connection ways. In order to connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide on Lenovo. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. If you prefer to input this key, click on Input Key section and type in all of those numbers in correct order. Lastly, select Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!